Let's do an angel message for today, which is the 23rd of July. I have tarot and I have oracle, and let's see what messages do our angels have for us today. We have wishful thinking and we have blessing. So the first message that I'm getting right off the bat is that if you've been wishing for something, and if you've been trying to attract it without if you've been waiting for a wish to come true, so the energy of basically this card is excessive thinking, excessive wondering, uh, excessive considerations of things that don't always matter or don't matter enough. And then we have the blessing card, and we will read this from the book. But the main message here is that if you've been waiting for blessing, and if you feel that your life or the whole situation is at a standstill and it's not getting fixed, I'm thinking, I'm getting the message that you're maybe over romanticizing things. Yeah, that's the first message. Is maybe you're over romanticizing things. Maybe you're giving more importance to things that don't matter as much. But yeah, you're giving more importance to things that don't matter as much. But I'm also getting that there's a reason for all these overwhelming emotions, and that may be because let's say you were hurt in the past, or something happened, or you were brokenhearted, and you have this all these emotions that you don't know how to process. So the best you can do is to want something else, want something better, which is not a bad thing. Wanting something is not a bad thing, but make sure that you're not chained to your wishes so much so that you're distancing yourself from reality. That is a very, very, very real possibility here. And it's, yeah, I think you keep going back and forth on this wish, probably because you don't have how do I put this, you're not sure if this can come true, and you're being too harsh with yourself. But I'm getting that you're not the only person involved in this wish, right? This may be about love and romance, and maybe about being with someone, wanting to be with someone, or about your career. But you're not the only one who's being overly harsh on yourself. There are people involved, and apparently none of them are in the right energy. So, which is not always a bad thing, because even when you're looking away from each other, you're still looking somewhere, and you're still in the same energy. And that same energy, even though it's not La La Land one, it's still compatible, right? And I'm getting that there will be a blessing that will soon manifest in your love life. Things will be squared. So if you've been waiting for things to be right for a very, very long time, then I'm getting that situation will be fixed in a way that will be satisfactory to you. But for this resolution to happen, you may need to stop obsessing over this blessing, because it is coming. But it can only come if you release the expectation, if you release anger, if you release frustration, if you release the icky feelings associated with it. Yeah, so let's read for this card, blessing. A blessing is sacred act. It takes selfless heart to ask for one. Do you urgently need a blessing for a pending task in your life? Examine carefully why you feel you need this. Every moment the angel sends who deserves a blessing, like a ray of light from the spiritual world. They can illuminate your path with their blessing. Consider carefully whether this is the right time and occasion for ask such a blessing. If you genuinely need help for someone in need, perhaps, do not be afraid to pray to the angels. Yeah, your angels know when to deliver, what to deliver. That's the main message we have after all the complicated talk, right? Your angels know what to deliver, when to deliver. Your angels know what would make you happy far more than you yourself do. Your angels are looking out for you. But for them to deliver this blessing that you've been looking for, you need to make sure that it's the right time and it's the right thing, because they will deliver what you ask, but you may not want what you ask. And I know that's a not really a very articulate message that I've got today, but the main message here is that you need to have faith that what is meant to happen will happen at the right time. And if something's not happening, it's because it is not the right time for it. And I get that you're frustrated, and I get that you're bored, and you get that you're upset, and I get that you're overwhelmed, and I get that you're trying really, really, really hard to be happy. But this blessing cannot come true if you're not open to it. If there is uncertainty, if you're not sure about your emotions, if you're not sure what would make you happy, you should not expect the world to make you happy. As I said, that we have the world. If you're not sure what would make you happy, don't expect the world to make you happy. That's the main message here. Know what you want. Release the burdens. Even if it's hard, even if you don't have the answers, look for them. Know what you want, ask for what you want, and then if then things are not working out for you, then you go and ask for angels, oh please help me. But if you're not willing to accept what you want, if you're not willing to work with yourself, on yourself, if you're not willing to do the work that would make you happy, if you're not willing to be emotionally fulfilled, if you're not willing to fill your own cup first, I don't think anyone else in the world can help you, because it is not the world's job to fix you. It's not the grand universal responsibility to make your life be a certain way. But if you want things a certain way, you need to act as if those things are already aligning for you. Yeah, you need to let go of the pain and the heartache that this chaos has caused. I think the primary reason of you going back and forth on your wishes is also all the chaos that has manifested in your life as a result of you wanting it the last time, or something not working out for you in your past. But just because something has not worked out yet, it does not mean it never will. And it's okay to have your heart broken, it's okay to not know, it's okay to feel frustrated, it's okay to feel angry. But you need to be open to more better possibilities for this wish to come true. You need to release attachments to illusions, and you need to be strong. You need to be proud of your life as you have built it, even if it's not perfect, for you to be happy, because otherwise there's just no way that your angels can help. Even if they manifest exactly what you want in your life, exactly when you want it, exactly the way you would want it, you may still not be happy. And maybe you've not considered that possibility so far, but maybe now it's time. Having something, wanting something, desiring something is not a bad thing, but if that thing is stopping your life so much so that you're not able to enjoy the other aspects of life, it's time to reassess your priorities. It's time to decide what you want, because your angels will help you get what you want. But what you want right now really what you would want in the long run? That's a question you need to ask yourself.